Gourmet Cocktails, Danny and Derek are sure how to make the Elder Apple Cardamom Fizz. This requires cardamom and simple syrup, so stay tuned for how to make that when I figure it out. I don't know how to do that. This drink is going to be 2 ounces of gin, 3/4 ounce of elderflower liqueur, like Saint Germain, really only Saint Germain. Don't know anything about that. 1 ounce of apple juice, 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice.
Look at the text.
1/4 ounce cardamom syrup, 1 ounce of soda water, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 3 dashes of orange bitters. See, it's simple.
Simple. It's simple.
I don't know how Jennifer designed this thing and had like
I mean,
a lot of work. In so many variations that you have to get right.
I know.
But there's usually some sort of core thing, like 2 ounces of spirit, blah, 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 liquor or whatever.
Yeah, I mean.
But when you're bringing apple juice and pineapple juice together, that's extra special. That's a lot of work. Glad I'm not doing it. It's
it's a good amount of juice.
Yes. So cardamom syrup is
it's
an interesting flavor, cardamom. It's in gin, so it's not out of the ordinary. But it tends to have like I don't know if it's medicinal cold, like it's just like
it's a flavor.
It is a flavor. Oh, we got that going for us.
Context added.
So the producers added some real knowledge drop right now.
She created an entire drink, and the best she can come up with cardamom is it's a flavor.
It's a flavor.
It's earthy, herbal, like special. Like it's something that you
well, this with elderflower too. And elderflower is really strong.
Yeah, this has a lot of.
Turns out it's also a smell.
Wow! Holy shit, Ian!
God, you are dropping bombs tonight. Boom!
Bombs over
Baghdad.
This one is this should be sweet, but I don't think it's going to be. Like, it's only got a 1/2 ounce of lemon. The rest of it's a sugar base.
I don't make
besides gin.
Yeah.
What did I shoot?
Well, I guess the elderflower is,
elderflower, simple syrup based cardamom, like a lot of sweet components. Amazingly, though, it doesn't have like 5 ounces of gin in it, so.
It's
not super cute.
It's losing her touch.
Just like,
that's because we're not adding soda water.
Dude,
we are adding soda water. 1 ounce.
Oh, we are.
It's not 3 ounces.
Man.
Yeah.
I did. I lost my touch.
Yeah, you're losing your touch. 16 ounces of gin.
It's a flavor with no soda water.
I even tasted it the other day, but I had 3.5 ounces in it.
Oh, you're definitely not tasting gin. Well, maybe that gin.
Yeah, this is Drum Shambo's California Orange Citrus Gunpowder.
So this will be interesting.
Irish gin with natural flavors.
I think gins too is like it all depends on what gin you. If you make it with like a straight up like lemon dry, sometimes it's just
it's a lot.
Yeah.
I'm actually probably use the one that's empty.
Oh, which one is that?
Isn't that Newcastle or what?
Oh, High Castle.
1 ounce.
It says lemon dry or something citrus forward works well.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm just saying. I don't.
You didn't have to measure. I would have trusted you.
Well, I know I didn't use that. We didn't own it.
That's true. We did not own that when you made it. Screwed up. What? Looks fine.
Look at it. Looks beautiful.
I have more.
Oh.
Put it down on top. No, over there. Put it down on top.
What are you doing?
No, over here.
I don't know.
No, wait. Hey.
Boom.
What, you had just a little extra? You made sure?
Well, I left a little out because I wanted to make sure there's room for the soda water.
Dude, you can't jump up there, you idiot.
What happened?
He tried to jump
Has
on
a
the little
distinctive, warm, and aromatic flavor, often described as sweet, citrusy, and slightly.
So it's both a flavor and an aroma. So we were both right, Jim.
Yes.
I would have went with minty because it has like that cold like finish.
Hey.
It is derived from seed pods of plants in the ginger family.
Ginger.
And cardamom's in gin.
Cardamom is a
very tasty.
Middle Eastern.
Yeah, like it's like cumin.
It's interesting. The elderflower doesn't really take over.
Yeah.
You do taste the cardamom though.
Yes.
Yeah, you do.
Now that's a cool drink. That's light and refreshing.
Ooh. Oh, I'm excited.
I didn't think. I
Me
didn't
too.
That's an expensive.
You just don't want that to be a pool drink.
Oh
I
yeah,
guess.
we're not making that.
That is a country club.
Yeah, I mean, you could definitely.
That's really
This is a pool drink. If like
Mm.
we have
a lot
to
of the
pull
flavors
and
are coming through,
go
but it's
to
also
the
really
fire pit.
light and it doesn't like
Yeah.
overpower
but
you.
the
and-
cardamom comes through, so
Mhm.
that's one of the reasons why I didn't think it was a pool drink.
I'm saying like all the flavors are.
It
down
almost
there.
tastes like a candied ginger. or something.
It comes through, but it's
I
good.
didn't use that gin either, so I don't know what it tastes like, to be honest.
The casualty.
I'm freaking her out. She's trying to figure me out.
It's like I don't know any humans that do that. They usually say,
I mean, most
"Hey,
people you try
no."
to figure you out.
And they all
you're in.
fail.
That's good.
I can't put my finger on, but it
Or
tastes like a
just
candy.
one determination.
Could
The
be-
cardamom really comes out at the end.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's like
I didn't
it's
think
like
it'd
a
be so-
lozenge.
It's like a quarter. Oh,
It has the lozenge flavor.
It's a cocktail loss.
it's like a Ricola.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's like a
But
Ricola.
it's not
Yeah.
that strong. in the
No.
flavor.
Well, no, but like
No.
if you were drinking a Ricola,
Yeah.
that would be
No, no.
That's disgusting.
No.
No. It's
doesn't-
it's
no.
it says no.
You'll see.
It's
It's
not
very good.
exactly Ricola. It has like the Ricola like flavor to
It has
it.
some
That's
qualities
not
of
a good
Ricola.
description. Try again.
Well, you tell me that.
Yeah.
I feel like it's Ricola.
Don't demand a
I mean, now we're giving it to you. It's like 3/4 full. I'm
Don't
just
complain
letting-
about don't complain about the response without providing your own solution.
Yes.
I will. You cannot compare a drink.
So I,
Ricola. Everyone's gonna be like, so I'm sick and I need to drink it.
Well, you
Well-
could think about the penicillin cocktail.
It
so
tastes
I
like-
do hear
Is it
that
bad?
you're saying that we shouldn't be describing this drink.
Stop using
as a
that on
Ricola.
a mental health professional in your training and the way you're saying it. Your delivery is terrible.
I'm sensing some
Yeah,
anger.
what I'm hearing is she's not liking what you're doing.
Yes.
I think she finds it demeaning
My
or
bad.
something.
Neither's Derek. He's kicking things.
No, that was me dropping things.
You dropped his nut, Meg.
I'm sensing some
Literally.
anger.
I'm
And
sensing a long night ahead for you.
it could come from like confusion of the drink.
It gives you like a different.
Like Ricola?
No.
It's
No.
good.
It has like a
She's
different
not-
flavor on
If,
the
you
back.
know what? If she thought this tasted like Ricola, she would never say it
Oh no.
because I've already said it.
Goodness.
Is there honey in
Oh,
there?
you know what? It's got to
No.
Nope.
No, there's no-
taste in the back.
Yeah.
It's the cardamom
Same
syrup.
Jermaine with the-
It's
yeah.
got like
The
that
cardamom in the
medicinal
back.
cold.
Yeah.
It's
Like-
not medicinal.
Yeah, I don't get medicinal.
That is weird. Whatever you've had is.
It's not like it's like earthy, like the
Yeah,
cardamom.
It's really good. It's complex.
What do
You
you
can't.
do?
You
What
can't.
am I gonna do about them?
You can almost smell it.
She got too close. I grabbed
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. Cardamom would be a fall.
So you what fall?
Yeah.
It could be a fall drink, yeah.
You can make
Like you
tacos.
said.
That could definitely be a fall drink.
Yeah.
It can be a summer.
Yeah.
Late summer going into fall.
Yeah. I can see that.
Is that finished?
I could drink that at the pool though.
Yeah,
Oh, this is delicious.
Mm.
and I mean we have plenty of
But
cardamom.
no, it's very. Ooh,
Yeah, St. Germain. is-
no way.
Oh yeah, it's a lot.
Oh
of
yeah,
Saint
no,
Germain.
that'd be
That
an
is a
expensive drink.
$40.
Yeah.
Like so you're at 2 ounces. This drink is what 2, 3, 4, 5 with 6 ounces.
Oh,
So-
herbal tea could be.
Oh, it could be
Like it's a little bit herbal.
Oh, yeah.
If the cardamom makes it a little
You
bit
know what's
herbal.
also
Yeah,
kind of
that's
herbal?
good.
Like Ricola cough drops.
Yeah, I know, but I've heard that doesn't work in this case.
No.
So 128 ounces divided by 6. That's 21
it's herbal.
servings.
Describe the concept.
So
So I'm
21
sensing your
servings times-
negativity.
No.
So,
I feel like we're getting a lot of
This
resistance
would be-
from that side of the room.
Yeah.
this would require 16 ounces of elderflower liqueur in order to. That's almost a full bottle. That would be this.
So how would you describe this drink?
Yeah, that's a.
Oh my god. Here.
That's
Here's
not true.
Oh, so we're still here.
yeah.
The
The whole active listening thing. So here's
Jump
the,
cut.
here's
We haven't
the
had a good
thing.
jump cut in a while.
This is a good drink. I would suggest you try it. It doesn't exist anywhere else except for on our channel because she invented it. I'm guessing there's some variation of it on the internet someplace. But it's good for pools and non-pools. Just keep in mind it's going to be expensive because it's got this. And you can go buy a non-Saint Germain elderflower. And while they're not sponsoring me, I'm telling you, they all taste like shit. I don't know why. And I've tried to sneak them in.
They're not as good.
While it's
And
not a cheap
everybody catches
liquor,
it.
a little goes a long way. And
Yeah, you don't
even
have
with
to
this
use a ton.
cocktail, it's like, I mean, it's cheaper than like chartreuse,
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
right?
Yeah.
It's cheaper
I don't
than
know, is it?
maraschino,
Right.
Yeah.
right?
I don't
So A little goes a long way with this. So
It's like
with this drink with
$30.
3/4 ounce in every one, how many ounces are in one of these things?
So, 25.
whole bunches.
Yeah, so
All of them.
you're getting 30
Like
something
this much.
drinks of these drinks out of that. So if you're spending what, $60 for a bottle?
Yeah, but if I'm making it for the pool,
No, I don't
that's
think
a
it's
whole
60.
bottle.
I think it's like
I don't know. I don't think it's
35 bucks or something.
I don't do easy
But
now.
the Saint Germain itself, they have a distinctive like.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like
It's like they've
and
figured
it's,
it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's
So
floral. It's floral. The other Saint Germains taste like cheap and boozy.
Yeah.
Like
like sugar almost, like
Just sweet.
Yeah.
they're artificially flavored.
Like your arrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, there's another
Yeah.
Elder, Saint Elder.
Yeah.
St. Elder
Saint
does
Elder's
not
not
taste good.
But the same thing, the funny thing is, it's the same with Luxardo Maraschino. You can get a maraschino liqueur from other companies. They don't taste like Luxardo.
Mm.
You can get amaretto from other companies. They don't taste like Di Serono. Like, there are certain
But there are
brands
good
of
amarettos
recipes.
out there.
There are,
Like
but
Luxardo makes a good amaretto. It's not the same
It's
as
not the same.
Yeah.
But the thing is, like, whenever I make these drinks with these, I don't want to say off brands, but different brands, everybody's like, I don't know. I like it with the other stuff better. They know immediately. It's like what the fuck?
Q-tips or something. It's like when you think of an elderflower liqueur, you think of Saint Germain.
Yeah.
But you
Right.
taste like you
But
know
you
what it
taste it,
tastes like.
yeah.
If I switch out your grenadine, if I switch out like orange liqueurs, no, unless it's like
Unless it's Senor or
whatever,
Yeah.
unless it's the dry curacao, like that's
Oh,
not.
yeah.
Other than that, orange liqueurs for $6, you don't. Nobody cares.
It's all the
Nobody
same
knows.
shit.
Yeah.
But they know with certain alcohols, and it drives me nuts.
Total wine is $32.
Oh,
So it's not too bad.
So it's not bad.
It's
so it's
like
like
Luxardo.
a buck a drink then for this. I mean, so
Yeah,
Take-
don't go to a bar. for this.
take the it's still cheaper than drinking at a bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything is cheaper than drinking in a bar.
Yeah.
Maybe even prostitution. Like, drinking at a bar is quite expensive. Like,
Did you say prostitution?
I don't get the
think
comparison
about it.
here.
Yeah, it is because it's going to cost you $16 to $22 for like a 4-ounce drink.
He's just
Think of all the things you can get for the same volume.
You're saying prostitution is cheaper than drinking at a bar?
Yes.
You need to
Ah.
change up your prostitutes, man. Those hamburger handies are not your friend.
Just because they have no teeth doesn't
That's not a
make it
sign of
better.
It's a special feature.
It's like,
Special, all
he's
right.
like, I'm getting a deal and I have a coupon.
Sure enough.
There's a coupon you need to run.
Yeah.
It's 2 for Tuesdays.
Yeah.
2 nuts for a taco.
That goes for everything.
Yes, free syphilis with every order.
Yeah, you
I
go.
got it. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, whatever. Fine. Don't agree with me. It's fine. Whatever. Go make the Elder Apple cinnamon. No,
Make it.
Elder Apple Cardamom Fizz.
It's good.
And stick to the high quality
Prostitution.
call girls.
Exactly.
One with teeth.
The
Right.
ones with teeth.
Yeah.
Oh,
And real
always
hair.
prostitute with teeth.
Yeah.
If that's now an action verb.
If you're going to do it, go up.
Right. Or, yeah.
Well, you got to go up the step, right?
You
Like,
got to go up to go down.
Yeah.
like you don't want to go down. Like you don't want to pay for it to go down. You want to like it's like when you stay at a hotel. If you want to pay to stay in a nice place, right? You don't want to stay in a shitty place because
Right.
you could have just stayed home.
You don't go to those sub-level apartments is what
Yeah.
you're saying. Yeah.
So what you're saying is you like quality.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Quality's good.
Well, you never know if it's quality. It's just right. It looks better.
You gotta look for the star rating.
Yeah.
Like quality.
Well, we gotta make an app for that. That's all.
Yeah.
That's all.
Anyway.
Anyway, that's it. Shop.onstrikes.com for all the stuff that I sell. Bartender server kit, mats, stuff like that. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.